Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The next question is question number 8. Here we are given three sides of a triangle: x square plus x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and x square minus 1. And what do we have to prove is we have to prove that its greatest angle of this triangle will be 180 degrees. So first of all, let us name these three sides as x square plus x plus 1, b as 2x plus 1, and c as x square minus 1. So if you observe these three expressions, we should take x to be equal to greater than 1, because if we take it less than 1, then this quantity will be negative, which means that c will come out to be a negative number, and c is a side of the triangle, so it can't be negative. So it means that we should choose c as a number that is greater than 1. It means that x should be taken as a number that is greater than 1. So if x is a number that is greater than 1, it means x is a positive number. So taking or after now taking x over here, 2x plus 1 will also be a positive number because x is greater than 1. Okay, so and also if I observe these three, then if x is a positive number, then this quantity a will be the greater of these three expressions, because over here we are subtracting something from x square. Here we have twice of x, and here we have x square plus x plus 1. So in a, x square is being added with x plus 1. So we are adding extra things to x squares over here. So it means that this quantity will definitely be greater than c also. B is 2x plus 1. We know that twice of a number and square of the number. Or you can write 2x as, if you write 2x as x plus 1. So if, as you may see over here, x plus 1 is added to x square, and over here x plus 1 is added to x only. We know the square of a number is greater than the number. So it means that this expression will give us the greater side. So it means that if I take a to be x square plus x plus 1, after taking the triangle a, b, c, taking alpha, this is gamma, this is beta, and this is a. So if it means that out of these three expressions, this expression will give us the greater value. So it means that the side which is opposite, the angle which is opposite to this side a, will be the greatest angle. So it means that if I take a to be equal x square plus x plus 1, then the greatest angle will be alpha. Okay, so greatest angle should be alpha. So what am I going to do is I'm going to calculate alpha, and I will prove it to be equal to 120. Now in this question we are going to use the cosine law that we studied earlier. Okay, I'm not using the half angle formulas, because in the half angle formulas we have roots, and roots can generate two values for us and can also generate some confusion for finding the value of 120. For finding the value of the angle. So I'm going to use the normal cosine law that we have used earlier, and its expression was a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc minus 2bc cos of alpha. As we know all the three sides, so what am I going to do? I'm going to put all these three sides over here, and I'm going to calculate cos of alpha, or let us find the value for cos of alpha, or generate a formula for cos of alpha from this expression. So from this expression, cos alpha will be equal to a square minus c square minus a square minus b square minus c square over minus 2bc. After shifting this negative sign to the numerator, the formula will be b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc. So let us use this formula to find the value of alpha. Okay, this will be the formula. So let us put the values of b, c, and a in this formula. What we are going to get is cos of alpha is equal to b square. B is 2x plus 1 So I'm going to solve all this to find the value of alpha after yes. So opening the square, over here we will have 4x square plus 1 plus 4x, plus over here we will have x raised to power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square, and over here we will use the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc. 2abc will be twice of x cube, and 2bc will be plus 2x, and 2ca will be plus 2x square, okay, over twice 2x plus 1 and x square minus 1. So after opening these brackets, what we will have is x raised to power 4 will be cancelled out with this, and plus 2x square will be cancelled out with it will be added. Let's see what else we have. That 4x square minus 2x square will be 2x square, and 2x square minus x square will be 3x square. So over here what do we have? 4x square, okay, minus 2x square will be 2x square, and 2x square minus x square will be just x square, okay, and then minus 2x square will be x square minus 2x square will be minus x square, okay. And let me do the constant. 1 plus 1 will be 2, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the constant will be 1. 4x, and 4x minus 2x will be minus 2x, okay. And what are we left with? We are left with just this 2x cube now. Minus 2x cube, as we have nothing to add to it, so we are going to get this expression 2x plus 1 and x square minus 1. Now arranging this expression, what are you going to have is negative 2x cube minus x square minus 2x plus 1 over 2 times, multiplying these two, we are going to get 2x cube minus 2x plus x square minus 1. So as you may see, we have 2x cube minus 2x. Now if we have now over here, I think 4x minus 2x was positive 2x, so we made a little mistake. Just make it a plus 2x, okay, over here and here, okay. So do this change, okay. This is plus 2x, not minus 2x. Now what we are going to do is taking minus common from this numerator. What would we have? 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and in the denominator we have twice of the same expression, okay. 2x cube plus x square, arranging this expression in the denominator. So as you may see, this is the same, so this will be cancelled out with this whole expression, and the only thing remaining will be negative 1 by 2. Now what do we have here is cos of alpha came out to be equal to negative 1 by 2 from here, okay. Cos of alpha. So now we just have to find alpha. Now taking inverse, cos inverse of both the sides, alpha is equal to cos inverse of negative 1 by 2, and when you take the inverse of this, alpha will come out to be equal to 120 degrees, and this is what we had to prove. So this completes the question. Now let's move to the next question. Now in question number 10, they have given us three lengths, 6 kilometer, 9 kilometer and 13 kilometer. And they are saying that we have three villages, A, B, C. And the distance between these villages are 6, 9 and 13. So let us take the distance between B and C to be equal to 6, the distance between A and C to be equal to 9, and the distance between A and B to be equal to 13. So what they are asking is that they want us to find the angles which these roads make with each other. Okay, these are the roads A to B, from village A to village B, and from village B to village C we have this road B, C, and from village C to A we have this road. So these are three villages and which are connected by these roads. The distance is given to be equal to 6 kilometer, 9 kilometer and 13 kilometer, and they want us to find the angle between these three villages. So it means they want us to find alpha, beta and gamma. So you can use any law. Okay, we can use cosine law that we used in question number 8 also. So from there we let me write the formulas for all the three angles. Cos alpha, as we have calculated in the previous question, cos alpha came out to be equal to, let me write it from there, cos alpha was b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc. Okay, and similarly cos of beta will be a square plus c square minus b square over 2ac. Okay, and cos of gamma will be b square plus a square minus c square over 2 times ab. So what am I going to do is I'm going to put all these values in these three formula, take the cos inverse and find all the three angles. So let's start with the first one. Cos of alpha will be b square is, let me take this, a was taken to be 6, b I have taken as 9 and c is 13. So I'm going to put these values. And cos alpha is b square 9 square plus 13 square minus 6 square over twice of b into c. C is 13. So what we are going to do is we are going to calculate all these squares, add them up. 9 square plus 13 square minus 6 square is equal to 214, and then divided by 2 into 9 into 13, then the answer will, final answer will be 0.915 something, and alpha will be equal to cos inverse of 0.915. I'm going to do it directly with the calculator. Cos inverse is going to be, so it means that alpha will be approximately 23 degrees 51 minutes and 39.4 seconds. Okay, it's approximately 23 minutes and 23 degrees and 51 minutes. This will be alpha, and in the same manner you can calculate beta and gamma. Okay, if you do have a problem, then let me know. But it's the same as for beta, you are going to put the value of a over here, c over here and b over here. You can calculate in the same way as I did over here. You are going to get all these three angles. So do calculate beta and gamma. Okay, so this is how we do this question. This will complete the solution as well as the exercise.